How much money did I make from YouTube in 2025? Well, that's an interesting question, and I'm here to share it with you. So I started my channel in 2024, and now it's been 2 full years, and I've got 5,394 subscribers. So, hey, Happy New Year to everybody, but I finished off the year with 5,394 subscribers. Now, if you have a YouTube channel, maybe you have way more subscribers, maybe you make way more money, or maybe you have less than that. But that's what I have, 5,394. Now I'm just going to roll some photos as I'm talking here because I've got 4 charts that I'll share, but otherwise there's nothing to look at. So I'm just going to roll some photos. Again, Happy New Year to everybody. So 2024, I started my channel. Now my channel is a weird niche, and it's about black and white photography with film. So black and white film photography. I'm never going to have huge numbers. There's not a lot of people doing it. Maybe there's some interest. It goes up, it goes down. Maybe I'm not doing a good job, but I talk about black and white film photography. I don't talk about digital. I don't make black and white prints from digital. It's black and white film done in a darkroom. So it is a niche, and the smaller your niche, I think my followers are probably people who shoot black and white film photography. So that's good. The problem with the niche is most of the world is not interested in what I talk about. So it can only grow so much. And I definitely do not do this for the money. I do it. It's a good question. Why do you do it? I do it because I believe that I have some knowledge that will be lost when I'm done. And I'm trying to record that knowledge for a generation of people who maybe haven't started to shoot with film yet, or they're just starting, or they're years away from shooting with film. I'm hoping that one day people will look at some of these videos and say, that was helpful. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to pass on some knowledge. I'm definitely not doing it for the money. If I wanted to make money, well, for how much time I spent on this, I'd have made more money asking for money on the street corner or working at Walmart. So here's the first chart. This is actually 2024, so just sort of give you some comparison. 2024, I had almost 208,000 views. I had 3,700 subscribers, and I made about $770.60 US. $770.60. That was 2024. And in 2024, my top videos were ultimate image quality, which had almost 34,000 views, and a video about the Nikon F3, which had 13,000 views. So those 2 videos kind of were the top ones for 2024. Now let's look at 2025. 2025, here's the numbers. 2025 views were 134,000. So I've gone down in the number of views, and the amount of revenue is $767.50. So $3 difference. From 2024 to 2025, I made $3 less. So there you go. That's what the numbers are for 2025. $767.50. Now for 2025, my most popular video was that old one from the year before on the Nikon F3 with just over 11,000 people watching that. And then I had a new one on the M7. That one was my second top one. And again, after that, they were old videos from 2024. So really, I did better work in 2024 than I did in 2025. Interesting. And how many videos did I do? This year, I posted 47 videos. I had hoped to do 50. I did 47. Interesting. 47 videos. Think how much time that took, and I made $700. So obviously, you're not doing this for the money. I'm doing it because I'm trying to pass on knowledge. Anyways, if you're a YouTuber, these are my numbers. What are your numbers? If you're not a YouTuber, I would encourage people to do it, and not for the money. Don't do it for the money. I would encourage people to do it because it helps you to kind of solidify in your own mind what it is that you enjoy, what it is that you like to do. And I do videos about subjects that I'm interested in. If I was doing videos for numbers to try to get more people to watch them, my videos would have to be better and they would be on different subjects. And you know what? I wouldn't even want to do. So then what would be the point? Anyways, these are my numbers for 2025. I've got a lot of videos I hope to do this year in 2026. Happy New Year. We'll get it rolling.